Hi, Marshall Porter here, Tri-State Martial Arts Center here in Collierville, Tennessee. Today, we get to do something that everybody wants to do when they come to my karate class. The thing that people want to do is kick. Now, on average, the average human is about 3 to 5 times stronger in their legs than they are in the arms. If you don't believe me, try and squat the same weight that you bench press with. If you bench press and squat the same weight, you are a superhero. It's probably not the average human though. The average human can squat a whole lot more weight than they can bench press. Well, that's why we want to learn how to use these techniques. We want to use techniques with the strongest weapon that we have, and that's our kicks. Here's the other thing though. Most people are very good at using their hands, not very good at using their legs and feet for things. If you do, then you're probably at the circus eating with a fork with your toes. Chances are you're not that kind of guy. So we're going to work on kicks today. The first kick that we always teach is a front kick. And you can do this out of a fighting stance. You can do this by standing. However you want to practice it. Today we're going to practice it just from standing. All I want to do is I want to pick my knee up and my hands up at the same time. Why do I want to pick my hands up, you say? Well, most people like to hit other people when they're doing something to them. So if Edgar was trying to kick me, I would put my hand out to punch him, and if his foot missed, his hands up, I can hit his arms instead of his face. That's important. That's why you always want to keep your hands up. So let's try it. Knee up, hands up, try again. Knee up, hands up, again. Knee up, hands up, and kick out and back. When you kick, you want to pull the toes back so that you hit with a ball of the foot. Why do you want to hit with a ball of the foot? Because there's more pounds per square inch when you hit a smaller space on your foot. Try not to hit with a whole foot, but just a ball of the foot. Again, knee up, hands up, kick out and back. Knee up, hands up, kick out and back. Knee up, hands up, kick out and back. Let's try the other leg. Knee up, hands up, kick out and back. Knee up, hands up, kick out and back. Knee up, hands up, kick out and back. You'll notice that this isn't a thrust kick. This is a snapping kick. Why do we want to do a snapping kick? Great question. Tri-State Martial Arts Center, we have lots of different rules of engagement when we spar. First rules of engagement, just punching and kicking. Second rules of engagement, punching, kicking, and sweeping. Third rules of engagement, punching, kicking, sweeping, and leg captures. What's a leg capture, you ask? Well, that's when someone kicks me and I capture their leg, which means I can take you down. That's not some place that you want to be. You want to try and always stay on your feet when you're doing karate. So, when he kicks, he always wants to pull his leg back. He kicks and pulls his leg back. He kicks, almost got it that time, and pulls his leg back. This will help a lot of different things. Makes it very snappy, very good, clean kick. It also helps us prevent someone grabbing our legs. Front kick. You can do 1 and then 2. You can do double kicks, 1, 2. You can do front leg kicks or rear leg kicks. All of them work really well. When you kick, you want to think about the center line of the body. So if Edgar is kicking me, he's looking at the center of my face, the center of my chest, the center of my stomach, all the way down to my belt. And in self-defense, even below the belt. So as he's kicking, he's hitting that center line. If he hits the center line, he's always going to be right on target. And if I move from one side to the other, he still gets a piece of me. Ooh. Front kicks, my Gary. We do a lot of kicks in Tri-State Martial Arts Center. That's why we have a big space so that we can do the kicks in a row. I hope that you get to come down here and experience some of the front kicks that we do. We're at Tri-State Martial Arts Center, 612 Poplar, Collierville, Tennessee. Come see us.